Hello friends, this is Deepak from TechPax Research and Innovation Services. Energy, battery, wireless, sensor networks, IoT. You are familiar with these terms, right? Do you guys know that except routing protocols, the energy efficient protocols are also there? Might be you have listened about the leech protocol, that is basically a clustering, low energy efficient clustering hierarchy. So in the wireless sensor networks, even in the IoT domain currently, the sensors are used to gather the information, and then the collected information is transmitted to the router or the sink or the IoT servers. Are those sensors much capable to transmit their data from one location to another? Is there having that much energy along with that to transmit the information? Yes, they have, but not that much. They are having small batteries. So saving their energy by developing some algorithms for the communication purpose that comes under the energy efficient protocols that we are covering today. We have implemented one research topic, that is for the energy efficiency for the lifetime enhancement of the clustering protocols, right? So also compared these algorithms with the traditional approaches and the recent technologies also. Those are inspired from the swarm intelligence and nature inspired algorithms. So the implementation that we have done is basically having two modules. One is fuzzy logics, right? The second one is basically the optimization algorithm. The optimization algorithm that we have used is basically a hybrid advanced model, which is evaluating the nodes with respect to the factors those we have considered. Those factors are not common because in initial leech protocol only distance was one of the factor, but currently the user is demanding number of things. They want high packet delivery ratio, load less delay, high throughput, and many other factors. So these factors are also known as quality of service. So these parameters are being considered here along with the optimization algorithm to generate to select the cluster head by using the fuzzy interface decision modeling, right? So you can see in front of you on the screen, this is a network architecture that we have designed with the 200 by 200 area and the nodes in it. The cluster head selected for the first iteration. This next iteration is being processed as the system is bit complex, so that's why it is taking much time, and the rounds and the packets that I have given for the processing is also very high, right? So an additional energy is considered in this. In journal you can see the ETS is 50 nanojoule. Here we have considered 70, just because of the thing. Here we have considered some additional packets those are transmitting, so the energy that is required for those information that also we have added to this model. So this is a very updated version of the energy efficient protocols, can be considered for the PhD research work also, right? So I am closing its running right here because it will take too much time to process because the rounds are very much in count. So I'm closing here, directly going to the comparison section which we have done earlier and save the results, right? So I'm closing it here and running the comparison code where you can see the analysis that we have performed for the dead nodes, for the alive nodes, for the lifetime. You can see the results will be in front of you. You can see we have compared it with the four algorithms, that is leech, heed, ABC and QABC. The first node and the last node dead rounds are being saved, energy dissipation is being calculated, the dead number of dead nodes, throughput, these factors are being considered for the performance evaluation of the proposed model. So I hope you people like this video, and those who are interested in energy efficient protocols and wireless communication, even for the IoT communication models, these models will be very helpful for you guys. So I hope you people like this video. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned to our channel to get the ideas for the research purpose. Thank you.